Hey, what's going on, Hot Ones fans? I'm Sean Evans, and this is our Hot Ones Season 10 Hot Sauce Reveal. And what a momentous day it is. You know, when I think back on the early days of Tony Yayo and Texas Pete's, all the way through Season 9, Stone Cold Steve Austin, and Pucker Butts, Chocolate Plague, whoever thought a YouTube chicken wing talk show could take it this far? And here, in our very special Season 10, it's all about saying, thank you so much to the fans who've rocked with us through 9 seasons. And of course, thank you as well to some of our favorite hot sauce makers in the game. For Season 10, it's Hot Ones All-Star Edition. We asked some of our favorite producers in show history to make a brand new sauce and bring it to the table for this historic season. And each sauce curated specifically for the Wings of Death. I'm excited. Are you excited? I'm excited. Are you excited? I'm excited. Are you excited? Kicking things off in the leadoff spot, you know what time it is. The Classic welcomes guests to the table with a warm, friendly handshake of chili de árbol. It says, "Hi, nice to meet you, celebrity I've never met before. You can trust me." All right, in the number 2 spot, our friends at Small Axe Peppers have whipped up a Chicago red jalapeno sauce that was inspired by me. The subtly sweet blend of jalapenos, mustard, and celery salt make this hot sauce the equivalent of dragging your hot dog through the garden and putting some wheels on it. And speaking of gardens, the peppers are grown in community gardens in my hometown. Thank you so much, Small Axe Peppers, a ray of sunshine in this dark, dark, cold world. Ba-doom, ba-doom, ba-doom. What's that? What's that you hear? Yeah, that's right. Heartbeat Hot Sauce is back, baby! This time they're bringing some tropical vibes down from the Great White North with a pineapple Habanero number made with Beaver Duck Session IPA from Sleeping Giant Brewery in Thunder Bay, Ontario. Squeeze it on a slice of Hawaiian pizza if you're into that sort of thing. And oh my gosh, what is this? Los Calientes at number 4? But Sean, that must mean the entire lineup is hotter than ever. Nice detective work, you Scoville Sherlocks. It's Season 10, no one is safe. But don't worry, explain that Graham, it has a new comrade in arms in the 5 spot in the form of Headless Horseradish from our friends at Torchbearer Sauces in central Pennsylvania. Horseradish in a hot sauce is every bit as mind-blowing in practice as it sounds on paper, especially with a kiss of smoky chipotle to balance out the bite. Mwah. And at number 6, it's Fire. No, seriously, that's the name of the sauce. Fire from Hawaii's own Adoboloco. Jalapeno, check. Scorpion, check. Smoked ghost peppers, check. The chili bonanza ensures that the fire hits every part of the mouth to kick off the back half. And then, moving on, it's Bravado Spice Company's Aka Miso. This is the first red miso hot sauce to hit the market. Earthy, savory flavors of miso and sesame. They combine with reapers and ghost peppers to say konnichiwa to anyone who's still yet to feel the heat this deep in the lineup. And then at the 8th spot, that's right, Da Bomb is back. Fights have broken out at Hot Ones headquarters about replacing Da Bomb. I've said it before, I'll say it again. From my cold, dead hands, you hear that, Sarah Honda? You hear that, Chris Schoenberger? Da Bomb, it stays. Show some respect. And speaking of respect, at the 9 spot, Karma Sauce is cranking out its hottest sauce to date, just for Hot Ones. It's called Burn After Eating. It's a pun that's sure to inspire its fair share of butthole gags, but the ingredients are no laughing matter. The fiery, Indian-inspired flavors are accented with caraway and amchur, an ingredient that comes from green, unripe mangoes, and then here, at the 10 spot, I know you've been eyeing it. It's gold, shimmering like the wrist. Fuck! It's a pun that's sure to inspire its fair share of butthole gags, but the ingredients are no laughing matter. The fiery, Indian-inspired flavors are accented by caraway and amchur, an ingredient that comes from green, unripe mangoes. And then, at the number 10 spot, I know you've been eyeing it. I've been eyeing it too. You see the drip, the gold. It is the last dab, XXX. That's triple the heat with 3 distinct varieties of Pepper X, Chocolate X, Peach X, and Mustard X. But before we start feeding the last dab XXX to our celebrity guinea pigs, we need to try it out on a civilian to make sure that it does not actually kill someone. So without further ado, it is time to toss it to our royal taster.
Hear ye, Spice Lords. 'Tis I, King Bill, the royal taster. Don't call me a civilian, Sean. Today, I'm going to be the first of many illustrious guests on Hot Ones to taste the pain. But first, I'll need my Lay's potato chip, the perfect vehicle for one's hot sauce needs. But how about a little warm-up chip? Classic and delicious. Let's crank it up a bit with a nice healthy dab. Ah yes, let's give this a try. Yeah, that's a winning combination. Wow! It just hurts, you swallow it and it hurts. And milk please, servants! Oh man! Woo! Back to you, Sean. Oh my God.
Get that bag, Bill. Well, there you have it. It's our Season 10 lineup. Welcome back to the table, some of our favorite makers in Hot Ones history, and we'll be putting the gauntlet to the test next week. That's right, Hot Ones returns at 11 a.m. Eastern Time next Thursday on First We Feast. Thank you so much to the fans who've rocked with us through 9 seasons strong and into our historic 10th season. I can't wait. Can you? We'll see you next week, baby.
Hot Ones, Shia, social, take one.
Take one. Okay.
Breaking news, Hot Ones fans. This is Sean Evans checking in to say there's a major storm a brewing. Make sure that you batten down the hatches, stock up on non-perishables, and while you wait out the storm, why not binge watch some old Hot Ones? Like, comment, subscribe. Who appreciates you? Me.